Kathomba cha kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ni cionanĩtie Ûûmbani bonene kĩrĩ kĩgerio kĩa KCSE ya mwaka mũthiru bobo nĩ nyuma yacio kwithira igĩkũrũkĩra mathĩna Kathomba mathĩna jaja amwe na ũmũ bwa gũntũ kũrĩa irĩ njĩra inthuku na jangi ende bobo bũtĩtũmĩte imama kĩrĩ mpumi injega arĩa cionanĩtie ũchamba bwao. Mwandĩki wetu wa Nteto Paul Kabithi nĩ agũtũacio ikinya
Rugendo rwa gutuka irima na miuro maburu mwankira mbasa sintia maiga na itiburiro kaithira kibao kia cukuru ya Kathangasini secondary CUKURU hapa kurukagira kinyamara kinene kia mbere wagia bwarujiro gutumira kiri cukuru ino.
Water has been a great challenge to this school, and students have been relying from a seasonal river that is some distance away from the school, and if this problem is solved, I think this school can be more comfortable and more
laboratory na bantu akumama gukegwe kinyamara kingi na kinene.
If the relevant government agencies come to the fore, they can address the same, and these grains can at least be to another level.
Uyo kukiri mpumicha kigiro ikoro kuchukuru no bakira ana nkorokie 16 university.
The challenge of water is you just make your own programs on how you will host if it's rushing to the river.
Ni ku shoot all over the Kenya and produce best result.
Performance has risen to 5.4, which realizes a positive deviation of 1.07. To our delight, we have realized a transition of 15 students out of 49, that is around 35%, who are going to the university, and it is our great joy.
Akiripotera Weru TV kuma chukuruni ya Kathangasini Day and Mixed Secondary School. Betu wa Paul Gwakabithe.